Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for May 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay. Let's see, Aquarius. What's up with you? Ngayong second half ng May. Water emotion. So, maaring you're going to deal with your emotion or anything na medyo emotional for you. You will experience ngayong second half ng May. Yung may mga times na parang hindi mo maintindihan yung sarili mo, napaka-sensitive mo, ang bilis mong maiyak. Let's say na may pinapanood ka lang na videos or reels sa social media and then may iyak ka na. Oo, baka epekto pa rin yan ng full moon in Scorpio. But some of you naman, you are going to tap into your emotions or yung inyong pakiramdam. Maaring mas magiging malakas ang inyong instinct, yung inyong intuition. Let's see what else. You have journey. Oh, okay. So, maaring emotional kayo sa bago nyong journey. Bago nyong landas na tinatahak ngayon. Maaring may kaba, may takot, may pangamba, no? Dahil hindi pa kayo pamilyar dito sa pinapasok nyo na bagong opportunity or bagong proyekto or landas, no? But eventually, you will find your way, no? Oo, magagawan mo naman yan ng paraan. So, wag kang matakot. And also, maaring ito yung mag-o-open sa'yo ng na parang kalayaan sa bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. This can be a financial freedom, pwede rin tong emotional freedom, lalo na't nailabas mo yung mga sama ng loob mo. This can also lead you to healing, no? Na finally, yung mga bagay na nililimit mo yung sarili mo, ay tinatanggal mo na at pinapalaya mo na yung sarili mo para mas marami kang magawa, ma-achieve, marating. I also see you na para magpapakatotoo ka na. Magpapakatotoo ka na sa gusto mo talaga. You have the 5 of Swords. May conflict dito, no? So, I feel like you are going to cut off people sa buhay mo na alam mong hindi mo kakampi. Ayan, no? Judgment. This is, maaring may major change sa buhay mo. Maaring ikaw ay parang nire-reinvent mo yung sarili mo. Kumbaga sa brand, you are rebranding. Kung dati, may isang bagay kang pinibigyan ng focus ng attention, let's say sa career mo, or sa, let's say you are a content creator. Tapos ngayon, iniiba mo na yung iyong perception sa buhay. It's like finally, parang ang explanation dyan, halimbawa sa bakuran mo, no? Ang tataas na ng mga damo sa bakuran. Siyempre, hindi na siya safe or maaring baka may ahas dyan or So, tinatabas mo na yan. Yung mga damo na yan para mas clear, mas tanggal yung kalat, yung gulo. So, same with your situation right now. So, anything na nakakagulo sa buhay mo or nagbibigay ng stress sa buhay mo, tinatanggal mo na yan. Anything unhealthy, whether this is a relationship with someone or pwedeng yung iyong belief system o kaya naman yung iyong habits na unhealthy na alam mo kailangan mo nang tapusin at i-let go. Ayan, you are also going to focus on your financial stability. I-build mo ang iyong finances. Oo, this is about generational wealth. So kumbaga, ngayon, focus ka sa mga bagay na pwede mong maipundar, ma-save, no? Maaring iba sa inyo, you are saving more money. Nagpo-focus ka sa stability ng iyong finances. You have the 8 of Wands, the Knave of Cups. I see you receiving messages. This can be love messages, no? Lalo na kung open ka for relationships or connections with others. Maaring hindi lang isa ang may interest sa'yo or nagugustuhan mo. There are some people na will send you messages of appreciation, love, or yung iba naman, kumbaga, nare-recognize lang nila yung iyong ginagawa. So, they appreciate you. You also have the Queen of Cups. So, this is the energy of, paring merong person sa'yo na malapit, no, na isang water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Lalo na ang Scorpio. Malakas yung energy ng Scorpio. And then, maari ring energy mo rin to na meron kang placements ng water sign sa yung natal chart. Ayan. So, let's see what else. For Aquarius, second half ng May. Lady. Okay. So, this is an energy of a feminine na maaring you will be dealing with right now or maaring energy mo to. This is about charm, no? So, I think mas magiging charming ka or parang i-improve mo yung physical appearance mo, yung looks mo, the way you carry yourself. You also have heart. Oh, that's why. Kaya naman pala, maraming na-attract ngayon dahil nakikita nila yung pagbabago sa yung sarili. Hindi lang physically, no? But also from within. Kasi syempre, kung ano yung nasa loob mo, yan din yung makikita sa labas. Oo. You have the book. This is about learning. So, maaring meron kang mga bagong pag-aaralan, i-research, something na nagbibigay ng interest sa'yo. Na alam mong mag-i-improve yan ng iyong mindset, ng iyong sarili, ng iyong lifestyle. You also have ship. So, this is about fortune, no, na parating sa'yo. Maaring meron kang mahal sa buhay na malayo sa'yo ngayon, nag-abroad, or vice versa, ikaw yung nasa abroad. So, I see you coming home or that person coming home to you. You also have the snake. Okay, so itong snake energy is, alam nyo naman na this can also be someone na parang medyo hindi maganda yung intentions towards you or there's a person na hindi nagiging totoo sa'yo. So, I think ito yung mga tatanggalin mo sa buhay mo. Lalo na marirealize mo kung sino tong mga totoong tao sa'yo. Like what I mentioned kanina, you are going to clean and declutter yung nega vibes, nega energies around you. Okay, so let's see some money, career, finances for Aquarius. Let's see. So, meron daw special space sa iyong bahay or sa iyong workstation na mas parang yun yung gagawin mong space for you na mag-meditate, mag-internalize, ganyan. So, yung iba sa inyo, spiritual kayong tao, no? So, you really focus on your connection to God, to universe, no? Kung ano man yung pina-follow ninyo na belief system. Maaring meron kayong minamanifest sa trabaho nyo na gusto nyong ma-achieve. Yung iba naman, maaring ang trabaho nyo related sa esoteric, related sa tarot, spirituality, astrology, and also, meron kang masusolusyonan na problema. Pagdating sa finances mo, sa trabaho mo na alam mong ito ay, maghagawan mo talaga ng paraan. Knave of Coins, this is learning. So, maaring meron ka rin nire-research, inaalam na bagong pwedeng pagkakitaan. You also have the Four of Swords. I feel like meron kang ayusin sa yung financial situation ngayon, Aquarius. Lalo na kung medyo naging on the rocks or unstable yung income mo o yung trabaho mo nung nakaraan. And then, for your love life, meron ka bang bibigyan ng chance? So, some of you might be giving a person a chance na, bibigyan mo ng chance yung relationship ninyo. Pwedeng ito ay isang kaibigan or sa family or romantic partner. Okay? Kasi maaring kumbaga ikaw rin siguro yung lumalayo nung una or alam mo na ikaw yung reason bakit hindi naging maayos yung relationship ninyo. Oh my God, I see the Tower. And then the Three of Swords. Oh my God. Aquarius. So, maaring bibigyan mo ng chance itong person na to na minsan ay sinaktan ka. O kaya naman, kung hindi man ganito, meron kang binigyan na chance na tao sa buhay mo, no? na sinira pa rin niya yung chance na yon. So, baka hindi mo na siya bibigyan talaga ng pangatlong pagkakataon. Siyempre. Okay, new opportunities and choices are opening to you now. Claim them. O, i-claim nyo na daw yung bagong opportunities na nag-o-open sa'yo. Let go of convention and follow your own unique path. See? This makes sense, no? With the journey. Kasi meron kang, itong bagong opportunity sa'yo, unique path mo yan. Yan talaga yung para sa'yo, na hindi mo kailangang gayahin ang ibang tao kasi alam mo na ito yung passion mo, yun yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Okay, so that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.